where else to do an intro at here at Northeast but here at the GE locomotive right here. I think they're just testing their sirens, but if we were nuked, I'd go in here, take a poopa. I don't hear any of the locomotives, so we're fine. Yeah, they just have these on the screens here. You can see the tonner right there. If I'm saying the names of the locomotives wrong, please tell me in the comments down below. Not gonna flip any of the switches. It's not like this thing is gonna move, but I always thought that was Diesel 10 from Thomas and Friends for some weird reason. But yeah, they're just testing. The Welch's grapefruit plant is just right across the rails. I don't want to trip and die, but yeah, the Empire Builder. You got a steam locomotive back there. Pretty rare sight for this place. Still on the GE. I think Cal Unit Productions actually talked about this. Cal Unit Productions definitely talked about this. We are at the chassis system locomotive. Oh, gotta go to the other side, I think. Please don't fall. Oh, I don't know if the doors are open on this. We'll have to go back down, but yeah, 6002. Gotta get down real quick. Okay, so yeah, here we go. That's the one I was just on, the chassis system. C&O. Would love to get a photo of these. First railfanning video on the channel. Yeah, I've been here multiple times off camera when I was little, like 5 years old. So I've seen all of these before. I've been on the front of these. If these had the covers on them to cover them up, so that way they wouldn't look like that, that would be cool. But 2500. Look at that. New York Central. New York is just that way. Lake Erie's in front of us. Like if I were to walk that way, I'd walk into the lake. There's the steam locomotive here. I think it might be oil, not steam, but the CSX looks like it's been through. CSX police, oh gosh. Oh god. That's funny. It's a nice bright day here. I like it. I like it. They're demolishing some buildings over there, I think. Yeah. Rails. I mean, I'm gonna go where it's bricked and at the station. So yeah, I'll see you down there. If you're a rail fan and need some exercise, just come to Northeast. Just don't trip in that pothole. No action. That's good. Because I'm all the way here. That's Lakeshore on there. I think, from what I saw in some things, they had the Wabash Cannonball coach from the Oil Creek and Tice Marrero. This is where it came from before it came to the OC&T. Speaking of the OC&T, right there, that little red locomotive was also on the OC&T's tracks. There it is, GE, Wabtec. Anyways, let's go into the, well, first, of course, the main diesel here. Oh, I hear the reading going off. We actually do have green on the signal, so it's going to be going down this line. I don't know if you have any other readings. If you're lazy and you just said, no, I don't really want to do all that, you can come in here, watch the trains. Like, this would be a nice place to go back in the day. Riding along the rails in this, that would be awesome. But let's go back down to the tracks. I'll show you if any action comes. Okay, I just heard a blast of a horn. From what it sounded like, I don't know if that could just be me, but I did hear the blast of a horn. Oh, this is where the white girl wasted thing happened from Wally B26. Chris Stanton filmed him and he raced the CSX train that went on this line. I have a hat on too. The Rusty's hat from Cars. old-fashioned train stations when you had a freight depot and a rail depot. The rail depot, or the passenger depot is right behind me. I don't feel like filming it I don't want to get people on camera. Nope, nobody. Not a single thing. So, I'm in Northeast PA. They were reading the rail boxes, or the axle boxes. Northeast, East Palestine. Think about that. I'm gonna quickly film inside the depot here. I don't want to be too long, but I think this is actually where I got one of my silver bullet trains. It was here. I had a lot of memories with those ones right down there too. Wow. Oh, that's the one they have here too. 205 or 2005. I owned this because I remember having like the solo coach, and it was that one. The Thomas Prime right there, or fake one, not Thomas one. Saw like old chugging tin up here in the videos. There's the rail cam footage right there. The G-scale tonner also. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is cool. This is cool in here. I mean, if we got unfortunately unlucky or lucky, a train would pass by right now, but I don't think it's gonna happen. But I mean, yeah, we'll go through here. Oh, look at that. That's a nice photo. It's sun faded though. Wow. Oh, that's cool. They preserved it. Oh, the Lionel train's right in there. I have not seen this in person yet. That 3568 model would be so cool. Holy crap, there it is! Holy crap! Oh my god, Canadian National! Okay, that was a Railfaning moment, I'm sorry. I was not expecting that. My first Canadian National too. Canadian National also. Alright, let's go film out there. Okay, there we go. Wow! That's a power. Look at that. That was cool, that Canadian National. Santa Fe all the way. There it goes. Down the rails. I'm not missing another. Oh my god. Action is busy. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's good. going on the top of one of those cars back there. Thank you, Precision for Scheduled Railroading. This is what you have to do. Oh, this is the garbage train. Oh, that's nice. That's it down there. Well, that was weird. That has never happened to me. Like, I was in the depot, and then a train comes by. How, my luck. So, that was a bit unexpected, getting 2 trains, including a Canadian National while I was in the depot. Come on. But, anyways, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna film a few closing ride aids after this. So, I'll be coming back here later today, so that'll be cool to see. But yeah, this was my favorite locomotive, and that Canadian National was cool to see. Wish I could have been, like, right there, but I was just within walls. But anyways, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna end it here at 6:02 because I began it here at 6:02. Goodbye.